Greetings and welcome to the Urban Homeschooler channel where I simplify homeschooling. This video is the fourth in my beginner series, so be sure to watch the previous videos if you are curious about how to get started homeschooling. In this video, I will be going over creating a learning space at home. You don't need a Pinterest perfect homeschool room, but having a designated learning space can enhance focus and productivity, as well as minimize distractions. Let's get into the steps you can take to create a functional, organized, and engaging learning environment. Step 1 is to choose your learning areas. A table or desk space can be the designated area for writing, worksheets, and structured lessons. A comfy chair or floor cushions can serve as a cozy reading nook for quiet reading time. Choose a hands-on learning area, a space for science experiments and art projects. And don't forget to take lessons outside for fresh air and movement. Step 2 is to organize learning materials. Use bookshelves or bins for books, labeled containers to keep art supplies and materials separate. Wall organizers are great for charts, calendars, and school supplies. And rolling carts can be used to create a flexible learning space. A well-organized space is better than an unorganized space any day. Step 3 is to make it engaging and personalized. Your homeschool space should inspire learning. Let your child help decorate with a whiteboard or chalkboard, educational posters or maps, and a growth chart to track progress and achievements. Step 4 is to minimize distractions. Every child learns differently. If your child gets distracted easily, try setting up a visual schedule so they know what to expect each day. Keeping a clutter-free workspace, using noise-canceling headphones, or playing soft instrumental music. Remember, your homeschool space should work for your family. Keep it simple and flexible. Learn more by going to urbanhomeschooler.online to get your copy of my ebook, From Chaos to Confidence, Mastering the Art of Homeschooling. It is a step-by-step guide for beginners. And shop the Urban Homeschooler store. That's all for this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you liked it, and share with someone that you know is curious about homeschooling. Until next time.